In this session, we are going to talk about the distinctive features of entrepreneurial market compared to the traditional market. Uh, Entrepreneurial marketing possesses distinctive features that sets it apart from the traditional marketing approaches. Understanding these differences is very important for entrepreneurial entrepreneurs for navigating the unique challenges that they come across, and also the opportunities which are inherent in the startup environments. So some of the distinctive key features are: the first is the resource constraints. A resource constraint actually stands out as a significant distinctive feature of entrepreneurial market when compared to the traditional marketing approaches. Mm, Actually, unlike well established unlike well established companies with ample financial resources, startups, they often operate within very tight budgets and limited access to capital. So this constraint, it necessitates a creative and frugal approach to marketing activities. So entrepreneur, they must carefully allocate their resources, focusing in on high impact, cost effective strategies. Lean methodologies become more very crucial, emphasizing efficiency and the maximization of outcomes with minimal investment. uh, because of the tight budgeting positions. Traditional marketing campaign actually, which may rely on extensive budgets for widespread advertising, are replaced by the targeted, innovative, and approaches that make the most of available resources. So startup must continually, they must assess the return on investment for each marketing initiative, ensuring that every dollar is spent or every rupee is spent, contributes directly to the customer acquisition and business growth. So resource constraint in entrepreneurial market, thus it drive a culture of ingenuity, forcing entrepreneurs to think strategically and leverage their creativity to build brand awareness and also achieve the marketing goals effectively after doing that. Next is the next element or next feature is the flexibility and agility. They stand out as a distinctive feature, that is because they help in setting the business apart from traditional marketing approaches. In a dynamic landscape of a startup where uncertainties abound, adaptability is paramount. So it is, entrepreneurial marketing embraces the need for quick adjustments in response to changing the market conditions, emerging trends, response to changing market conditions, maybe the emerging trends that are coming up, and the customers' feedback. So, unlike the more rigid and long term nature of traditional marketing plans, entrepreneurial marketing acknowledges the fluidity of the startup environment. This flexibility allows the entrepreneurs to experiment with various strategies, swiftly pivot in the face of challenges, and capitalize on unexpected opportunities. So the emphasis on agility is rooted in the understanding that startups must be responsive and maybe nimble to succeed. So whether it's refining product offerings or adjusting maybe messaging or optimizing the distribution channels, entrepreneurial marketing thrives on the ability to pivot rapidly, ensuring that the venture stays aligned with evolving market dynamics and customers' preferences also. So, in essence, the flexibility and agility embedded in entrepreneurial marketing empower startups to navigate the uncertainties proactively on time, within, before getting into much losses, making strategic adjustments in real time to maximize their chance of success. Next is innovative and risk taking. Here we can say that entrepreneurial ventures are inherently very, very dynamic and often operate in environments of uncertainty and limited resources. So, innovation is the cornerstone, with entrepreneurs leveraging creativity and leveraging creative and unconventional marketing strategies. So, to differentiate their offerings in the competitive market, that is, to differentiate their products in this competitive market, and it is unlike the traditional marketing, which rely on established practices. Entrepreneurial marketing thrives on novel ideas and approaches. They push the boundaries to capture attention of customers, and they create a unique brand identity by doing all this. So, alongside innovation, a willingness to take calculated risk is also a defining characteristics in this. The entrepreneurs, they understand that breaking away from the conventional means traditional, it carries, inherent uncertainties. Yet they embrace these risks to stand out and achieve rapid growth. So this risk-taking mindset, it extends to marketing campaign, messaging, and the exploration of emerging channels. The dynamic between interplay between innovation and risk taking in entrepreneurial marketing fuels our culture of adaptability, allowing startups to pivot quickly in response to in response to market feedback and changing conditions. So ultimately contributing to the agility and success of the entrepreneurial venture. Next is your, close customer relationship, which stands out as a very distinctive feature of entrepreneurial marketing. In stark contrast to the traditional approaches in entrepreneurial ventures, actually, in entrepreneurial ventures where customer bases are often smaller, and every customer interaction, it carries a significant weight. The emphasis on building and maintaining close relationship is very, very important. Unlike the more transactional nature of traditional market, entrepreneurs seek to establish personal connection with their customers. So this for this they they will be going for direct engagements, active listening to customers feedback, and a willingness to adapt based on individuals need and requirement. The intimate size of the customer base allows for personalized interaction, enabling the entrepreneurs to better understand the customer preferences and try to build a tailor build or tailor made their product accordingly. So this closeness not only fosters customers' loyalty, but also it turns customers into advocates, also maybe contributing to word of mouth marketing for startups. And in contrast to the often distant relationship in traditional marketing, the personal touch of the close customer relationship is the key asset for entrepreneurial marketing, creating a very unique trust-based dynamic between the business and its customers. Next is it focuses on rapid growth. That is, we can say that in its, in the entrepreneurial landscape, startups often create, under intense pressure to scale quickly. and gain a significant market share in the short span. So this emphasis on rapid growth influences every facet of entrepreneurial marketing strategies. So unlike the traditional marketing methods, where a more gradual and steady approach may be acceptable, here they seek to exploit the market opportunities very swiftly and capitalize on early success. Strategies are designed with scalability in mind, aiming to acquire customers rapidly and penetrate the market more efficiently and more consistently also. So entrepreneurs are inherently, driven by the desire for expansion, and their marketing efforts are aligned with the overarching goal. This focuses on rapid growth necessitates this focus on rapid growth. It necessitates agile marketing strategies, a quick adaptation of to market feedbacks, and a constant pursuit of innovative approach in order to gain a competitive edge in the market in comparison to the other competitors existing. So the urgency for growth is the defining characteristics that shape the dynamics and high-paced nature of entrepreneurial marketing, setting it apart from the more established and stable approaches of traditional marketing. Next is the integrated marketing and sales, which is again a distinctive feature of entrepreneurial marketing. In entrepreneurial setting, the lines between marketing and sales functions are blurred, uh, fostering a seamless and collaborative approach to customers acquisition. So, unlike the traditional models where marketing and sales may operate as, separate entities, entrepreneurs often actively engage in selling their product or services and play a direct role in customer interactions. So, this integration ensures a very cohesive strategy, aligning marketing efforts with the sale process to create a unified customer experience. So entrepreneurs, they leverage their in-depth understanding of the product, market and customer feedback gathered through direct interaction to inform the marketing strategies. So this collaborative synergy, it allows for agile adjustments to both the marketing and sales tactics, ensuring a more responsive and customer-centric approach, integrating, a more customer-centric approaches. So, what happens that by integrating the marketing and sales in entrepreneurial context, it reflects the necessity for a holistic strategy where marketing seamlessly transitions into sales, maximizing the effectiveness of customer acquisitions efforts in the dynamic landscape of startups. Next is lean and iterative process. Actually, in entrepreneurial context, where adaptability and efficiency, they are very important. The concept of lean draws from agile and startup principle. Actually, this approach involves developing and implementing marketing strategies with a focus on minimizing waste, maximizing the efficiency, and responding quickly to the changing circumstances. Lean and iterative processes in entrepreneurial marketing actually embraces a cycle of continuous improvement, improvement from time to time. So entrepreneurs, they implement strategies, they collect real-time data, analyze the performance metrics, and they crucially use this information to iterate and refine their, approaches frequently. So unlike the traditional marketing plans that may be more static, this iterative process allows for a rapid adjustments which are based on customer feedbacks, marketing dynamics, and the evolving need of the business. So, by embracing a lean and iterative mindset, entrepreneurs can optimize their marketing efforts, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively and strategies are finally turned to achieve the desired outcomes in the dynamic and fast-paced landscape of a startup environment. Next is the focus on personal branding. We find that the founders and key individuals actually founders and the key individuals, they often become integral component of the brand itself. While they are into manufacturing, they are into all other entrepreneurial activities. So unlike the traditional corporate marketing where the brand is the central focus, entrepreneurial marketing places a very significant emphasis on personal branding. So entrepreneurs, they actively engage in building and promoting their personal brand, leveraging their stories, expertise, and maybe authenticity to connect with their customers. So this approach creates a more human and relatable, image for the business, fostering trust and loyalty among the customers. So founders, they become the face of the ventures. Who participate in the marketing efforts, they go for social media interactions, and also they go for some industry event also. They present some industry events also. So this personal connection not only adds a unique, unique dimension to the brand, but they also enhances the overall credibility of the entrepreneurial venture. So the intervening of personal and corporate brand narratives, it becomes a very powerful tool for the startups, allowing them to differentiate themselves in the crowded market amongst lots of competitors, and it helps in building a more meaningful connection with their targeted customers, and strategy less prominent in and this strategy is less prominent in traditional marketing model. Coming to the next one, that is the emphasis on online and digital channel. In this digital age, startups, they leverage the power of the internet to connect with their target audience in a more direct and cost effective way, in a cost effective manner. So unlike traditional marketing, which may heavily rely on offline methods such as print and broadcast media, I think entrepreneurial marketing places a strong emphasis on online platforms, social medias, or content marketing and digital advertising. So these channels, they provide startups with a broader reach, enabling them to connect with global audiences, even with limited budgets. So the real-time nature of online communication allows the entrepreneurs to engage directly with their customers, gather instant feedbacks, and also adjust to the marketing, adjust their marketing strategies very swiftly and easily. The accessibility and affordability of digital tool empower startups to create compelling content, build brand visibility, and establish a strong online presence, contributing to their ability to compete, with larger, more established competitors on a level playing field. So the agility and measurability of online marketing align with the dynamics and resource constrained nature of entrepreneurial venture, making it a cornerstone in their strategic approach. Coming to the last feature, which talks about the metric-driven decision making, we find that in entrepreneurship, where resources are often very limited, and the need for efficiency is very important. It cannot be compromised. Entrepreneurs, they rely heavily on data and key performance indicators in order to take proper, informed decisions, in order to take more balanced decisions. So unlike the traditional marketing where, which may operate on a broader and maybe less quantifiable scale, entrepreneurial marketing here these days, it involves a meticulous analysis of metrics such as customer acquisition cost, maybe the conversion rates and the return on investment. So they use very strong digital tools and analytics, platforms to measure the success of marketing campaigns in real time. This enables them to adapt the strategies, swiftly based on the empirical data. So this metric driven approach not only enhances the efficiency of marketing efforts, but it also facilitates a continuous improvement in the mindset. Therefore, entrepreneurs, they can, here iterate on their strategies based on the tangible results, ensuring that every marketing initiative aligns with business goals and contributes measurably to the venture's growth. So this emphasis on data-driven, decision making is a reflection of the lean and agile nature of entrepreneurial marketing, where adaptability and precision are the key to navigating the dynamic challenges, of the startup environment. So these are all 10 important features that have to be explored and understood of entrepreneurial marketing, which is, more relevant and more prominent in comparison to the traditional marketing. So after understanding and embracing these distinctive features, I think it will enable the entrepreneurs to tailor their marketing strategies very effectively, strongly, navigating the dynamic landscape of the startup environment, and maybe lead you to be a successful your startup as a most successful venture in the near future. That is all for this session. Thank you.